third is the like in which everything is included, meaning company registration as well as the GST registration.
Okay, so I don't have a existing company, so I want to create a new company, but I'm currently in Kerala, and I want to register the company in Bangalore.
Understood. And what kind of entity are you planning to register?
That is one confusion that I have. What is this entity though?
Like a private limited.
So I was actually thinking of registering my company in India because there are two things. There is actually way better tax issues than UK, but the other thing is like, is there other countries like US or any other European countries where I should be registering? But to make the ball set rolling, I think I will start my registering company in India, mainly because there is a 7-year AI tax benefit thing, and I read through it via Perplexity, and it says it's not actually 7 years, but you have 3 years write-off. So I think that's a really good deal, right? And if I need to register after making the money, I could register somewhere else. If you guys have any advice on me, then please comment or drop me a DM or something like that. After that, I am going to teach you how to actually use Claude Code, and these are the secret prompts that you should use to make your Claude way better.
What we're trying to build is a pretty intense system. So I have asked Claude Code Plan Mode to understand the system and create an agent which monitors our website automatically. I was in the first impression to use the loop command. So Claude Code and all of these things have inbuilt commands like loop, run prompt / commands on preparing intervals. But what it has actually suggested was to use the schedule command here. And once we use the schedule command, what we can do is make a site disease agentic daily loop, whereby it can track the site health, monitor user health. If we have any issue on the website, it will actually go on and monitor it, and also if it has an issue, it will notify us as well. And there is the agentic profile, which will look all of this thing and update the Claude MD. So what it basically means here is every day there will be a blog post be posted according to the new rules, new news, and new SEO and GEO and every day, which I do not have any. I can control, but I don't have to control it every day. So right, and what we're going to do is to use all the APIs here, and then connect to MailChimp and Notion so that we can track the whole progress in the Notion page where the multi-agents live and live and also communicate. So a Notion page where my agents work with each other, the Hermes agents, Claude Code, even individual projects like this all work under this page, and they communicate with each other, so they get context by talking with each other. So here, as you can see, this is me as a captain, and this is Hermes agent, which has like sub-agents like this, and this is Claude Code co-work, which is the Claude this thing that will also be working here, and it has like tasks. So today's task is form the contract, domain registration, blog post SEO, what we are doing and what we have to do. And whenever I am doing anything and I'm updating the Hermes agent for their daily update or daily, there is an evening session whereby after the day ends, there will be a message coming to me on Telegram saying what to do for today. So I just use voice flow or any kind of text to voice, so voice to text feature in my iPhone, and then summarize my day's work, and it will update all of these things here. And this is the thing. So this is the morning dashboard, whereby every day morning I have to go through this dashboard, and it will show me what we have to do. And as you can see, this is the work which is done by Claude Code, the co-work, which is the app, and also like these are the things which are in progress, and these are the things which we haven't yet started. As you can see here, this would be the .md file or agent summary, so it doesn't lose context. And these are the tasks and sub-agents under myself. So Frankie is a sub-agent under Hermes agent, Hermes is the main agent, Sanji is also a sub-agent, and these are the tasks that are researched and being done by all of my sub-agents, and we cannot see what they're doing here. So today's task is to connect. This is a Claude /cursor ID which is connected via version and GitHub, and this runs my site. So this site is being run on that cursor. This is the site actually. So whenever we are putting in a new blog, or we are changing any features, or we are changing pricing or anything, this thing will automatically update, and it has created all of this thing from scratch. As you can see, some are not working because the site was live yesterday, not yesterday before yesterday, I worked yesterday, so only 3 days of build for the site. So let me connect this to Notion and also schedule something using Claude Code here.